Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Can I download ClickUp for PC? Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, surrounded by stacks of papers and sticky notes, trying to keep track of your tasks, projects, and deadlines. It's chaos, right? Now, imagine a tool that could streamline all of that, organize your work, and make your life a whole lot easier. That's where ClickUp comes in. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that's gaining popularity among individuals and teams alike. It's packed with features like task management, time tracking, collaboration tools, and more. But can you use it on your PC? Let's find out. The answer: yes, you can. The short answer is yes, you can definitely download ClickUp for your PC. In fact, it's designed to be used on a variety of devices, including Windows, macOS, and even Linux. So, whether you're a PC enthusiast or a Mac user, you can enjoy the benefits of ClickUp. How to download ClickUp for PC. Downloading ClickUp for PC is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit the ClickUp website. Go to clickup.com in your web browser. Create an account. If you don't already have one, sign up for a free or paid account. Download the app. Once you're logged in, look for the download button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the ClickUp app on your PC. Key features of ClickUp for PC. Now that you know how to download ClickUp, let's explore some of its key features that make it such a popular choice for PC users. Task management. Create, assign, and track tasks with ease. Project management. Organize your projects into different spaces and folders. Time tracking. Monitor how much time you spend on specific tasks. Collaboration tools. Work seamlessly with your team members, share files, and collaborate on projects. Customizable workspaces. Create workspaces that match your workflow and preferences. Integrations. Connect ClickUp with other popular tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and more. Benefits of using ClickUp on PC. Using ClickUp on your PC offers several benefits. Desktop access. You can access your tasks and projects from your desktop without having to switch between devices. Larger screen. The larger screen of your PC provides a better viewing experience, making it easier to manage your tasks and projects. Keyboard shortcuts. Use keyboard shortcuts to quickly navigate and perform actions within ClickUp. Offline access. With the offline mode, you can continue working on your tasks even when you're not connected to the internet. Common questions and concerns. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions and concerns you might have about using ClickUp on your PC. Is ClickUp free? While ClickUp offers a free plan with limited features, you can upgrade to a paid plan for more advanced features and capabilities. Is ClickUp secure? ClickUp takes data security seriously and employs various measures to protect your information. Can I use ClickUp on multiple devices? Yes, you can use ClickUp on multiple devices, including your PC, smartphone, and tablet. So, can you download ClickUp for PC? Absolutely. As we've seen, ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that's well-suited for PC users. With its powerful features, user-friendly interface, and desktop-optimized experience, ClickUp can help you streamline your workflow and achieve your goals. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient project management tool, I highly recommend giving ClickUp a try. You can sign up for a free account today and start exploring its features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.